Calling all wizards, the Alchemist pendulum is back, and this time it's better than ever. It's this amazing blue titanium coating. So this is a classic pendulum that I designed. Nobody else makes it, and it is so good for doing pendulum alchemy work. And it is just a powerhouse for energy healing, manifestation. It also moves really well for dowsing, and it has this gorgeous stunning blue coat with purple highlights in the grooves. It is so amazing. Look, in real life, it's just absolutely stunning. The camera doesn't really do it justice. So for all you wizards, all you alchemists out there who want a super high vibe pendulum, this one is for you. Check it out. It's on my website. I highly recommend this. This is one of my favorite pendulums of all time. And yeah, check it out.